Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is me Ian and you're watching Ian TV. So please, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click that bell so that you'll always be notified whenever I upload new videos. So ngayon, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano mag-send ng money from your BPI account to any remittances. So let's get started. Para makapag-send ng money, you should have your BPI mobile app in your phone. So yan, click that app. Once you click the app, ito yung makikita nyo. Sa baba natin yan. Diyan sa baba, meron kayong makikitang BPI to cash. You click that one. And then, BPI to cash again. Meron tayong pagpipilian ng mga partners sa BPI. The True Money, Cebuana, Palawan, RD, LPC, or M. Lavalier. So, dyan sa Palawan, only 5,000 yung pwede mong isend, yung limited amount. And sa RD naman is 10,000. So, kaya sa RD yung pinili ko. So, meron silang service fee na 99 pesos. I-deduct yun sa account mo sa BPI. So, for me, that's 8,000. So, magiging 8,099 yung babayaran ko. So, there you will need to fill out the recipient information, receiver, then their name, mobile, and their mobile phone contact number. So you need to review the information first before you confirm all the details. Okay, so click that next, and here you will fill out your email, and there the bank, which is the BPI, and then your full name, and then contacting your bank. So need to screenshot, pero meron kayong reference mamaya if may mga aberya sa pag-send. May pakita kayo. So there you need to sign in again to your mobile app or to your BPI account, online BPI account. So dito, meron silang isisend na mga OTP, ilang beses silang masisend sa'yo for privacy purpose or for security purposes. Which is good. So, ayan, they sent you a one-time PIN to your mobile number, registered mobile number sa BPI. So, make sure you're still using your mobile number in the BPI, still active. Okay, so, select which account you want to use. So, for me, that's savings account, and then click sending SMS. Okay, so after this one, magsisend ulit sila sa'yo ng 6-digit one-time PIN. So, kailangan mo din yung ilagay dyan and then verify PIN. Para talaga make sure nila na ikaw nga talaga yung gumagamit ng account and not somebody else. So, at the end of the process, ito niyo yung makikita ninyo, cash sending process. The amount that you sent and the service fee. So, makikita nyo din diyan ang pangalan ng receiver and then the cash reference code. So, you need to tell the receiver about the cash reference code. So, send nyo sa kanila yung code and then isasabihin nyo din sa kanila na to inform the outlet that transaction is for BPI to cash. So, just make sure to bring 2 valid IDs for the receiver para hindi na pabalik-balik sa bahay. Okay, so kasi parang kailangan nila ng valid ID, especially pag malaki na yung amount. And also, you need to screenshot all the details para if there is aberya, may mga aberyang mangyayari, meron kayong isisend sa customer service. So once you click done, there, you will go back to the first step. Okay, so I hope you find this video helpful, and if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click that bell button so that you will always be notified when I upload new videos.